Also, a certificate of recognition is given to her as Best in Demonstration Teaching for academic year 2023-2024. Also, a certificate of recognition is given to her as the International Creative Lab Champion held at University of Indonesia. Also, a certificate of recognition is given to her as declared winner during the GCA slogan contest in the institution. Also, a certificate of recognition is given to her for her valuable contribution and declared as the Artist of the Year on particular events in the institution. Certificate of recognition is also given to her as declared winner or declared as the Writer of the Year on particular events in the institution.